Let me share a story with you because this is related to what I'm going to cook today. You know, last few weeks I wasn't in Malaysia. I went to New Zealand because I want to stay with my son, visit him for 3 weeks. And I stayed with the family and I cooked for them. But the kitchen is not the same as my kitchen. The kitchen has no wok, no high power stove, and they want shrimp that is without shell. And therefore I have to improvise the formula. I remove the shell, I use a small stove, and I use a flat bottom skillet, and I hope that they will love it. And to my delight, they really enjoy it. I'm so happy, and I really want to share this recipe with you because I want you to have the same kind of happiness that I have together with them. So today I'm going to make干煎虾碌, that is pan-fried shrimp with garlic, soy sauce, and this time I'm going to make it without shell, and I hope you will love it. Let's get started. First, let's have some fresh shrimp and make sure that they are fresh raw shrimp, medium size at least. Larger size is even better so that they will be able to sear beautifully on the skillet. As requested, I have removed the head, the shell, but I still want to retain the tail for presentation, better presentation. Next, garlic, plenty of it, and rough chopped to this small size. We don't want to mash the garlic into a paste. Shaoxing wine, that's going to give a wonderful aroma and balance out the seafood smell. Scallion, and the white parts is for frying, and the green parts for garnish. Light soy sauce, one of the major seasoning ingredients to give the savory flavor. And I also include some sesame oil. As I mentioned earlier, these are the shrimp that has already cleaned and take off the shell, take off the head, and they still leave the tail on for better presentation. And I use a paper towel to keep it dry so that it will not splatter when I put it onto the skillet. Add some cornstarch, some light soy sauce, ground white pepper, and a little bit of sugar to the shrimp. Mix and set it aside for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, mix together the light soy sauce, the sesame oil, and a touch of Shaoxing wine. And this is the sauce for the shrimp. Now heat some oil in a skillet and add the garlic and also the white section of the scallion. And stir until they turn very aromatic, until they smell amazing. Next, I prefer to remove them so that they will not get burned while I sear the shrimp. Lay the shrimp single layer in a skillet with some oil over medium heat and let them sear on one side first until you see the char marks. Now let's turn it over for the other side. The color is beautiful, isn't it? Don't overcook as they can turn rubbery. So when it's done, remove whatever that is already fully cooked. Yeah, this is fully cooked. Since my skillet is small, I need to cook it in 2 batches. This is the second batch. Do exactly the same way as the first batch. Now let me return the remaining shrimp, switch on the stove and return the garlic and the white section of the scallion together with the sauce that we have already prepared. And make sure that all the shrimps are nicely coated by the sauce and the garlic. And now it is full of flavor. Lastly, add the green section of the scallion before serving. And if you have some chili, you can add some chili for additional color. Wow, it looks beautiful and very appetizing. Look at the garlic and the scallion that is on the surface of the shrimp. So appetizing. And this is a shell-free version of my garlic shrimp on rice, and it's so delicious. The garlic and the scallion that is thick on the surface coupled with the light soy sauce is incredibly flavorful, and I can guarantee that. And it is so easy to eat because there's no shell. You can just eat it just like that and everybody loves it. As I said, this shrimp recipe is born out of improvisation as I don't have the wok and a high power stove, and it comes out so beautifully done. And yep, who knows, you will love it too. I've left the recipe in the description box below these videos, and I will also add it at the end of these videos for your reference. And if you like these videos, please subscribe, tap the notification, give me a thumbs up. Let's try it out and let me know the result in the comments. Meanwhile, keep enjoy your cooking in your kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.